Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is packed with excitement for all you Aquarius natives. The year 2025 holds not just one, but three joyful surprises that will bring prosperity, love, and success into your life. From career advancements to new relationships, from property deals to exciting news in your personal life, this year promises to be a game changer. We'll talk about how political and social success awaits you, how new partnerships and business ventures will bring financial growth, and how love and harmony will be a constant in your relationships. Stick around until the end because every detail could shape your upcoming year in the most beautiful way possible. Let's get started. The stars are aligning in 2025 to bring Aquarius natives one of the most exciting and rewarding years of their lives. This year, the universe is working in your favor to bring you remarkable success in your career, social life, and personal relationships. Whether you're seeking growth in your professional endeavors or happiness in your personal life, 2025 will bless you with three key surprises that will uplift your spirit and bring joy to every aspect of your life. The first joyful surprise for Aquarius in 2025 comes in the form of career growth and political or social advancement. Whether you're involved in government, corporate, or social sectors, 2025 will see you rising to new heights. If you're in a government job, there is a strong possibility of promotion and elevation in status. Those engaged in political or social work will make key connections that will propel them forward. The influence of new contacts will bring opportunities that will benefit you in the long term. For those who are dealing with property disputes or legal matters, this is the year when things will finally settle in your favor. Long-standing issues related to property or inheritance could find resolution, freeing you from the stress you've carried for years. The favorable alignment of stars will also open doors for business expansion, particularly in partnerships. If you've been thinking about joining forces with someone in a new business venture, 2025 is the year to take that leap. The second joyful surprise awaiting Aquarius in 2025 is financial prosperity. With new income sources emerging, you'll see your financial situation strengthen significantly. Whether you're running a business or working in a job, the opportunities to increase your wealth will be plentiful this year. If you've been thinking of starting a new business, especially a partnership, this year is favorable for making bold moves. Partnerships will not only bring financial success, but also long-term stability. Government-related work or contracts will also yield positive results, making it a year full of financial growth and satisfaction. The third joyful surprise in 2025 is the abundance of love and harmony that will grace your relationships. Aquarius, your married life will experience a beautiful phase of connection and understanding. The bond between you and your spouse will deepen, bringing both emotional satisfaction and support. Your love life will thrive, and those in committed relationships will find new reasons to celebrate their partnership. If you've been waiting for the right moment to express your feelings or take your relationship to the next level, this year provides the perfect energy for romantic growth. In your personal life, there is a harmonious balance between love and companionship. Whether it's a romantic partner or a close friend, your relationships will grow stronger, bringing immense happiness. Those who have been facing challenges in love will see these issues dissolve, allowing space for joy and peace to return. Aquarius, 2025 is going to be an extraordinary year filled with surprises, success, and joy. From career breakthroughs and financial prosperity to love and harmony in relationships, you're entering a phase where the stars are fully aligned in your favor. Make the most of this year by embracing new opportunities, nurturing your relationships, and staying true to your goals. These three joyful surprises are just the beginning of what promises to be a year of transformation and abundance. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this forecast, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more astrological insights and predictions. We'll continue to bring you exciting updates to help you make the most of every opportunity. See you in the next video, and until then, stay blessed.